How's it going, man?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Ready?
Oh, always ready.
90
ready.
miles.
Ready, steady.
Here we go. Hello guys and welcome to another Car Expose video. My friend Nat and I, we are away to COPART now. We're probably about 45 minutes from COPART. First of all, let me thank you all for the response on my post the other day. I was expecting 5 or 6 people to vote, but I'm a bit nervous because this is my first experience with COPART. So I don't know what I'm getting. I'm only gonna know what I'm getting when I get there. So as you know, I got a 2008 Seat Ibiza Sport, orange color, and it seems to be quite good, but you're only gonna get the full picture when you get there. As you know, because the COVID-19, I cannot go to the yard and visit and see the car beforehand, so it's a bit of a blind auction at the moment, so it makes it a little bit more exciting. I've got all the tools in the back. I've got the hotel with me, multimeter, the 200 piece from Halfords. I have a tow bar, antifreeze, oil. What else? The battery pack. I've got the battery pack, and yeah, so start to get close. Now 40 minutes away. I hope it goes well. I'll see you guys in a bit. Right guys, so just picked up the car. It's been a bit of a strange experience, to be honest with you, but here it is. Super sketchy so far. They don't like filming inside there at all, so it's not too bad until you get to here. So we're gonna get on the road. I'll probably stop like one of the closest service as possible to get some fuel. I've checked the fluids already, and then I'll tell you all about it. But yeah, it's been a bit of an experience, to say the least. And just like that, we are back, and what a journey it was. Big shout out to my good friend Johnny Speed Shop. I'll leave links in the description for his channel. He gave some really good tips that would have been possible to pick up this car today. First of all, when I got there, obviously go to the office, do the paperwork, pay. The guys bring the car with a big sort of tractor with forklifts. Fine, I was expecting that. But the thing that really strikes me hard was how annoyed and aggressive they were, like for me to film inside the yard. They did. They didn't like that at all, in a quite aggressive way, to be honest with you. Tips that Johnny gave me, take some tools, some fluids, towing rope, because I wasn't picking up on a trailer or anything like that. Jump leads or battery pack, and without those tools it wouldn't be impossible for me to pick the car today, because you cannot drive the car out of the yard. I wasn't expecting the car to start, but I wasn't expecting me not being able to drive the car out of the yard, because I was quite sure the car was all right to drive. I wouldn't have any problem starting and getting the car, it was a risk anyway. I was aware of the risks and everything, but I wasn't expecting me not to be able to drive out of the yard, because it's that policy. Now, I had the towing rope, so I towed the car out to the yard, so I couldn't film that. I had to use the battery pack to start the car, And this battery is absolutely spunked. Is one of those, the first thing that I've got to do is to buy a new battery. Right, regarding payment, there are some hidden charges that I wasn't expecting in the beginning when I bought the car. So you have the fee, the auction fee, which was 189. I'll put the receipt on the screen, you'll be able to see. And then you have a yard charge, which is £40, and you have an internet fee, which is 25 plus VAT on top. So the fee that I was expecting to pay 189, which I was happy about it, went up to, I don't know, 300 or something like that. 305 pounds at the end. So there's some hidden charges there, which I thought was a bit of a con, but anyway, it's an experience. It's the first time buying from Copart, so that was the reason why I wanted this car. Maybe I'm not gonna make any money, you know, selling. Maybe I lose money in this car, you know. It'd be great if I break even, but you know, to go through the experience, through the motions with Copart and see, you know, how they work. Driving the car back, I'm not doing that again. It's quite a risky thing to do. I think it's much better if you can hire a trailer for the day or for the weekend. The car engine is fantastic, perfect. Everything works. I do have quite a few lights on the dashboard, and I'll show that in a second video. But the brakes are pulsating quite badly. If you're 60, 70 miles an hour, put your foot on the brake, the thing shakes, you know. Not shake, you get vibration, but like pulsating vibration, if you like. The brake discs looks kind of new, so that's a bit strange. I don't know if they didn't clean the hub or something like that, but you can tell they pulsate. So the brake disc is not, you know, I'll be very surprised if it's warped, but it's that sort of feeling, you know. When you press on the brake pedal, it goes boom, 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 you know. So a bit risky. I'm not gonna do that again. I'm gonna hire a trailer next time for sure. Another thing, there's a couple companies that contacted me and they are willing to work with me. So far, I kind of have confirmed Machine Marts and Clarke's. They are going to send me some tools for this project, so they'll be supporting this project, which is great because I think I'm probably gonna lose money in this project. So if I have companies to work with me, it's gonna be fantastic. So I think there's the first tool coming in a couple of weeks. I'll make a video of review of the tool, my first thoughts, and you're gonna be the tool in action working in this vehicle. So I like to thank Clarke's and Machine Marts in advance for the help, and perhaps we can work together in the future. We'll see what happens, but I think that's about it, guys. Very, very good experience. I enjoy this type of thing, you know, when you don't know what's gonna happen, and we'll see. My next video is going to be showing all the faults of this car, which there's plenty. There were people a bit worried about, you know, I like the diagnostic videos and all that, you know, you're gonna be doing body work and stuff like that. This car has plenty diagnostics to do. There's plenty of problems, and you're gonna see in the second video. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe and follow this series. I think it's going to be quite good fun. So next video, everything wrong with my Copart Seat Ibiza. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up, a subscribe. If you have any comments, just leave it below, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.